Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in this tutorial we wanted to cover percentage of total. So now what is percentage of total? So let's say we have this category and the, brand. So in this category, inside this category, I want to know how much percentage each brand owns. So if this is my 100% number, then what is the uh, percentage each brand owns? So let's try that out. So first of all, for that I need something known as subtotal. So let's see how can we get. So let's start a measure, and we'll let's call it subtotal. Okay, so subtotal, so we can say calculate sum, or we already have a measure which is sales, so we take sales, and then we say all except. So what we want still to be filtered. Okay, so we want all except brand, let's say, or all except category. So we want all except, so this we have taken from item, so we want category to be filtered but nothing else to be filtered, so all except category. So we have taken subtotal and let's add it. So you see this number. So what is happening? It is only going to filter category, all except category. Don't filter anything other than category. So that's what we are doing now. So now we got the subtotal, and from here we can make a percentage of subtotal. So how? So if I divide now sales by this subtotal, then I'll get the percentage of subtotal. So let's create that. So let's call it percent of subtotal, new measure, and we are going to use divide so that we don't have to handle divide by zero error. And then first measure we are going to take is sales. So sales we want to divide by the total, which is the subtotal, not the total, subtotal. So we take subtotal as the second measure, and then this is what division we have done. Now we got a new measure, percentage of subtotal, and then we add it here. Now here this number is coming around 1 and we wanted it percentage, so we will go ahead and mark it as a percent column. So now we got it. Okay, so this is how you can get percent of total. So now what happen if I need kind of a grand total or percentage of grand total? So one of the options you have is here, you have this, you can see say percentage of grand total. So if you go to sales and say show percentage of grand total, you can actually get it. The other way is, let's say we want to create a measure, show value as no calculation, so let's going to show sales. So we can create a measure, and so we'll directly going to create now percentage of grand total. So what we are going to do is, let's create percent of total. So we are going to say calculate, and then we are going to say sales, comma, all sales. So this is our grand total. Okay, so if I put right now, this is not percentage of total, this is actually total. So this number, if we can go scroll down, you can see this is our grand total. Okay, now we know what need to be done. Now again we know, if I go here and I say divide sales by grand total, we'll get percentage of grand total. So let's add this into the visual. We added it. Now again same way we have to mark it as a percentage column. Fine. Similarly, you might have seen 19% when we were doing the percentage of total from here. So you have a measure which is you can actually right click and actually go to the options and make it show value as percentage of grand total or column total or row total. You have those options available, but if you want to create a measure, and there could be certain needs around that, so you can go ahead and create. So this is how you create percentage of subtotal and percentage of total. Let us know what else you wanted to see in the tutorial series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new videos. Thank you.